AI is everywhere, doing everything. It's writing essays, diagnosing illnesses, even painting pictures that sell for millions. So, naturally, you might be thinking, well, there goes my job. But hold up. I'll tell you exactly why your job and your unique human skills aren't going anywhere. You've seen the headlines. AI will replace 85 million jobs by 2025. Sounds terrifying, right? But every major technological leap has sparked the same fear. When the steam engine was invented, people said, that's it, we're all going to be unemployed. When computers came along, everyone panicked that spreadsheets would do our jobs better than we could. And guess what? Not only did those changes create new jobs, but they also made life easier for us. AI is no different. Sure, it's going to replace some tasks, but it's also going to create new opportunities. And before you worry that your career is doomed, let's ask a critical question. Can AI do everything you can do? AI is great at following instructions, analyzing patterns, and answering questions like, what's 2 plus 2? But give it a real-world problem, like, how do I politely tell my boss their idea is terrible? And it's hopeless. Why? Because AI lacks emotional intelligence. It doesn't understand nuance. It doesn't know when someone's crying because they're watching the last 5 minutes of The Notebook. And creativity? Sure, AI can generate art or write a story, but it doesn't feel the art. It's not out here saying, wow, that brushstroke really speaks to my soul. Creativity isn't just about producing, it's about connecting emotionally. That's something only humans can do. Take customer service, for example. AI can handle basic queries, but when a furious customer starts ranting about how the coffee machine broke their marriage, that's a human-level problem. AI can't say, wow, sir, let's unpack that. AI isn't your nemesis. It's your assistant. Think of it like that friend who always helps with homework but never shows up to the group project presentation. For instance, writers use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Designers use AI to automate repetitive tasks like resizing images. Doctors use AI to help identify early signs of diseases. But who's still in charge? The humans. It's like a chef using a blender. The blender is doing a lot of the work, but you don't credit the smoothie to the blender, do you? No, it's still the chef's recipe, their vision, their creativity. AI is just a fancy blender for your brain. Here's the plot twist. AI isn't just taking over tasks. It's creating new ones. We now have jobs like AI trainer. These are people who teach AI how to recognize human language and emotions. There's also the AI ethics officer, whose job is to ensure AI doesn't accidentally turn evil, like in every sci-fi movie ever. And how about this one? Human-AI collaboration specialist. Basically, you're like a translator between humans and machines. So, while some jobs will disappear, others will emerge, just like they always have. Back in the day, no one thought social media manager would be a career, yet here we are. Now, I know what you're thinking, okay, that's great, but how do I make sure I'm not one of the jobs that gets replaced? Don't worry, I've got you. Here are 3 simple steps to future-proof your career. 1. Learn to work with AI. Take time to understand AI tools in your industry. Whether it's ChatGPT, DALL-E, or some specific software for your field, learn how to use it to your advantage. Think of it as your teammate. 2. Double down on human skills. Emotional intelligence, creativity, adaptability, leadership. These are the skills that machines can't touch. Own them. 3. Stay curious. AI and tech are evolving fast, so keep learning. Take courses, attend webinars, read books. If you keep upgrading your skills, you'll always stay ahead of the game. Let me give you a real-world example. Teachers. AI can explain math problems or create a lesson plan, but it can't inspire a kid to love learning. It can't make a student feel seen, heard, or valued. Another example, entrepreneurs. AI can analyze trends or suggest strategies, but it can't take risks. It doesn't have vision. And here's a funny thought. Can AI replace comedians? It might be able to write a joke, but it can't deliver it with the same timing or personality. And if you've ever tried laughing at a robot, you know, it's just awkward. Here's the bottom line. AI isn't going to replace all jobs. It's going to change how we work, sure, but it's not taking away what makes us human. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Share this video to your friends and family. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.